Alright, today we're going to show you how to set up your extra large live animal trap. So this is the biggest one in the Pestrol range. Alright, so to begin with, we're assumed that you put it together. Just have a quick look down here for how the bottom tray should be positioned so it can move back and forwards. It's also fastened on the other side, but I don't think you need to see that. This rod, just as long as it's sitting loose, like so, it is ready to set up. Alright, so in order to set the unit up, you need to do this on both sides. So you can do it by yourself, but to begin with it might be easier to get someone to help. So what you do is you lift this back, you put this up, and then you lift this like so. This goes to the top, that's underneath, and then if we come back to the middle, you will find that this rod needs to go behind the bottom plate. That means when both sides, and we haven't done the other one for this demonstration, but when the fox or the rabbit comes along, stands on the plate, the door goes down, this falls down behind it, which means the animal cannot leave. So just make sure this part of the trap is always able to come down once the door goes down. But that demonstration is for both sides. If you want to make it more easier to trigger, you can adjust this just by moving it a little bit off center, otherwise just middle, and then as soon as that gets pushed, that allows that to come up, door down, and then it's fastened. Thanks for watching.